I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by installing a TTS engine and a virtual audio device so your system can route synthetic audio as input. Once done, grant microphone permissions to the virtual device. This is why apps can hear the TTS. Next, choose a stable voice and set the sample rate to 44, 1 or 48 kHz for compatibility. Finally, run a short test phrase to confirm playback through the virtual device. That verifies the first actionable loop is working. You now route the TTS output into the virtual device so it appears as a live microphone. Open your audio mixer and assign the TTS app output to the virtual device or enable loopback on the device itself. Make sure the virtual device is selected as the input in the target application or system preferences. While doing this, adjust gain and mute monitoring to avoid feedback, and disable any echo cancellation in the host app because it can clip synthetic audio and break natural timing. You finish by validating performance in the target application and addressing common issues. First, run a real-time test and note latency. If delay is high, lower buffer size in audio settings. If audio sounds garbled, make sure sample rates match across the TTS engine, virtual device, and app mismatches cause distortion. For clipping or volume spikes, reduce input gain or enable normalization in your TTS output. If things still fail, restart the virtual device driver and retry the test once.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.